Next, we'll use pattern cards for punch lace knitting. Here we'll use the peak carriage. The peak carriage moves needles from B to C. With this back and forth motion, this temporarily lifts the stitches. Using the peak carriage to create a punch lace pattern. Now we'll start casting on. Now let's set up the carriage cams. Set both side cam levers to the circle mark. And the main lever to 0. Increase tension by 1 notch to 5. Now set up the second carriage. Set all levers to position 1. Reduce tension by 2 notches to 3. Move the carriage with this full rib cast on complete. Check if all needles have completed the knitting. Also, set the half stitch selector on the main bed to position -5. When attaching the transfer plate, align it precisely. Since we are the main bed needles, we will release the fabric during transfer. During this operation, the fabric releases from the main bed needles. Position the transfer plate close to the ribber sinkers. Now engage the peak carriage to retract the main bed needles. Position the peak carriage at the right end of the main bed. Pass the carriage completely across once. Now all needles shift to position C. Then return the carriage. All fabric is now transferred to the ribber. The main bed drops all stitches. The P carriage just dropped all main bed stitches. When using the P carriage, ensure proper knockover board alignment, or you'll drop stitches from the machine. When dropping main bed stitches, align the knockover board with the ribber sinkers. Now add the weights. With the weight attached, knit 3 rows. First, set the main carriage stem to the SJ position. Leave the other cams in their current positions. Can knit one row first. Only the auxiliary needles are active now. Can knit 2 more rows, then install the pattern card. Turn the pattern card to position 1 and lock it. Then, have the carriage memorize the card's pattern. Move the carriage back and forth 3 times. Now the pattern is memorized. Next, the 2 needles on each side of the main carriage. Set to D position. Unlock the pattern card. Next, let's set the cam lever on the carriage. First, position the main carriage near the knitting needles, and set the cam lever to the triangle mark. Place the P carriage on the left of the auxiliary machine. Move the P carriage to shift the needles to C. Remove the P carriage. Then knit 1 row. So the needles pick up yarn from the pattern card. Place the P carriage on the auxiliary machine's left again. To move needles to C. Knit another row. Then slide the P carriage on the main machine right to left. The needles now move to position C. Now retract the P carriage. The fabric on the main bed releases completely. Move the P carriage to the river. Pass the P carriage once to position C needles. Then knit across. Rotate P carriage to river again. Then pass right to position C needles. Knit across, then return P carriage to main bed. Repeat left turn toward pass to release the fabric. Transfer P carriage back to river. Make one left to right pass with P carriage. Then knit. Place the P carriage on the auxiliary again. Then pull it left to right once. Then pull the main carriage. Similarly, reposition the P carriage on the main machine, then pull it left to right and back. This P carriage works on both machines. To create the lace pattern, That's how punch lace knitting works.